There's never nothing to do on a homestead. So, once we got breakfast out of the way this morning, we've decided to come ahead of the storm, Hurricane Dorien, which is heading this way, possibly with nasty consequences, right, Em?
Yeah, for the garden, yeah, unfortunately.
So,
I think it might look a bit different come Sunday.
We're going to do a bit of picking, pick as many veggies as we can before the potential disaster strikes. We don't expect the sunflowers to survive the offence of the storm. But yeah, I won't be surprised if that corn takes a battering as well.
Corn may well do as well.
Yeah.
It's a shame because it's actually just coming up into its own.
Yeah.
But just got to get what we can, really.
For sure, yeah.
Salvage what we can. And hope for the best. There's loads of these.
What's it you're getting? Oh, the yellow cherries.
Cherry tomatoes.
They're gorgeous as well. Look at those yellow cherries. They're fabulous. And I can tell you, boys and girls, they do taste good. It's a burst of flavour. It's a flavour you just don't get from supermarket tomatoes.
Let's empty the water out. Maya grew some beans.
Oh, they're nice. You grow those on your own. A clever girl, aren't you?
You picked them off the. I think she just picked them off the plant and.
She's amazing. A little mini gardener, superstar, aren't you?
That's one in there. Over to the other patch and see what needs to be.
Yeah, see? That's good. You're very good, aren't you? So where are you going to put that? Over somewhere nice, somewhere where it can not too much sunshine, yeah? That's good. It needs to get some light though. I think it'll be all right there. I think you know better than me, actually. Yeah. Did you say you were going to start picking some of the hooks?
I'm going to do some beans.
Yeah.
There's zucchini, huckleberries.
Yeah.
Here in this patch and in that big patch over there.
Yeah, there's a lot in there. They all look ripe as well. That's going to be.
Tomatoes are not quite ready yet.
Oh, those. Oh, these are red ones though, aren't they?
They're orange.
These go to orange. Oh wow. There's a couple of ones looking real close to ripeness there, but
yeah, they're not far off.
maybe a day or two.
You're going to wheat grapes. Let's have a look how them grapes are doing. Oh, they are doing good, those grapes.
It looks like this spurt of wetness has really improved it, doesn't it?
It does, yeah.
I mean, that's a notable difference to the other day. That really is. Is this conveyor belt matting? It is, isn't it?
Tyre, I think.
Is it? Wow.
Tyres that they
Yeah.
must have put together for.
Wow. Better get picking then, haven't we? So, at the moment I'm picking some huckleberries. We've just gotten a complete abundance of hooks here and we're just picking those now. I've stripped this one mostly, just got that side to do. So we have a pretty good haul here. We have got a nice selection of tomatoes, some dry beans that have dried on the actual plant, zucchini, there's one cucumber in there, some nice beans, they're both these purple ones. What are the purple ones then? Royal Burgundy, which is a real good name for them, aren't they? Lovely. And some broccoli florets, some plantain seeds,
There might be some more cucumbers.
and a little bit of garlic. That was seed garlic, but we can still use the bulbs in cooking. And over here we've got some onions, more onions to sort out. And the huckleberry picking is continuing. So that's the haul of huckleberries. What do you reckon there is there, Emma? That's
Oh, was it good? I don't know.
£5?
That's all right.
It's going to be about £5, isn't it?
Yeah, that's heavy. Almost 6 maybe.
£6 perhaps.
Yeah, that's quite heavy.
There you go. So what are you going to use those for, Em?
I'll probably do some pies.
Some pies?
And maybe some jam.
Yeah.
Or jelly.
Oh, nice. Yeah.
I probably would just do a jelly actually. Just put them through a jelly bag.
Yeah.
I've never used them before. We've never grown them before, so it's a first for us.
Okay.
But yeah, look at the amount.
But I tried one the other day. It's not too pleasant straight off the plant, is it? No. So it needs to be processed before it's good. Yeah. So what we got here is a beautiful loaf that Emma's just made today. Still warm. Beautiful, with lots of good stuff in it, all sorts of nice stuff, flax seeds, and these are lavender shortbread cookies, and they are absolutely amazing. They're light as a cloud and crispy and delicious, and they got that lovely finish of lavender in them. It's incredible. They just are simply the most amazing shortbread I've ever tasted. Really incredible. That's just a little bait. Things happen so fast around here that I have to, if I haven't got a camera in my hand, I'd have to capture them after the event. Yeah. That little corner there that's missing off there, I'm guilty, that's my bad. But I had to try it. I need to know what was in that bread, what seeds were in it.
There was nodding sedge.
Wow, yeah.
And there was curly duck seeds.
Yeah.
And there was alder catkins, red alder catkins.
Yeah.
And there was something else. What else did I put in there? Oh, plantains.
Plantain seeds.
Plantains.
Well, it looks fabulous, and I can't wait to try a little corner of that.
You can actually smell the nodding sedge in it.
Oh, lovely. I'll do that.
Quite a nice aroma. Next, I'll put some water
Did you say there was butter in it as well, the
no,
bread?
But it'd be nice with butter.
Oh, just with butter, yeah, it will be, yeah.
Well, I wouldn't have lots of butter, but you'd like.
The texture of that looks absolutely amazing. It really does look good. Mahone Bay, Nova Scotia. That is so pretty. That is really beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Of course, it's also famous for the 3 spires of these 3 remarkable churches. Beautiful buildings. And today, and in this light, that is really breathtaking. It's beautiful.
Going up a walk to them.
St James. We're just looking at this storm drain and saying, well, that's going to change before the weekend. Oh dear. There's a hurricane coming. Say hi, everybody. That is a bit. It's a cedar, you said, wasn't it, Emma?
Cedar.
It's beautiful, isn't it? Like bearded cedar.
It's cool, isn't it?
I don't know if you can make that out, but there's a first quarter moon in the sky. Is that first quarter or last quarter?
First.
First quarter, yeah. What's that?
It's a rose, but it's got rose hips and then it's got these weird things on.
Oh, that's odd. I've never seen that before either. So answers below if you know what that is.
There's even bigger one.
I think my friend Trina might know about that. So see what she can come up with. Or anyone else who knows their plants. Right, Emma, what we got going on here?
We have a stir fry
That looks good.
with some. I'll just get that on before I won't touch the lid. It'll be roasted.
Well, onions, garlic,
just quick.
mushrooms,
Sausage.
carrots, and sausage. What's the sausage?
It's a German sausage. I
Yeah.
can't remember the name of it. It's in there.
And the mushrooms.
Mushrooms. Oh, and
And those buds.
they're oxeye daisy buds.
Oxeye daisy buds, look.
Yeah, you can see one just there.
That's
actually.
that's the new Baird Homestead.
Yeah, there you go. You can
stir
see
fry
one, there's a
ingredient.
better one.
Very
quite a
good,
few
very
layers in
nutritious.
Put
And we're
that
just
back on.
steaming that off now. Added a bit of water to it, just steaming it off.
Just ready for the carrots.
Yeah, and then the next items we got going here are some really fresh garden picked zucchini. There's some shredded white cabbage, that's also come straight from the garden, and on that cabbage you'll see grated a couple of 3 teaspoons of ground ginger. An unusual stir fry item for most of my friends, but a common stir fry item in Hong Kong is this cucumber. which we've peeled and just chopped up nicely for stir frying. We managed to harvest a few beans today, and we also harvested just a couple of sprigs of broccoli florets. So that is all going. I think what we'll probably do now is add the zucchini, the cucumber and the beans to the next stir frying steam, and then right at the end we'll add the cabbage, which will stir fry and steam, and then we'll add that all together in a big bowl, and we'll have ourselves one amazing
meal.
Stir fry. That'll be good, won't it, Em? What do you think?
Good, I do. Definitely good.
It smells great already. Oh, and just out of interest, we've started it in sunflower oil. There's a dash of Worcestershire sauce in there. There's that is a soy sauce, Kikkoman. This is a really good one. And there's a teriyaki sauce, which is going in with the stir fry vegetables. So we got something good going on there. So it's just those little coves there.
And we'll have it with some bread.
Oh yeah, and the bread is there waiting for us to tear up neat.
And this is burning.
That's starting to burn. That comes off, right. So that's everything from the table, apart from the white cabbage, which is now steaming away in there. So we'll add that to the big bowl. Okay, we didn't show it served up, but all we can show you, boys and girls, are the leftovers. But we can tell you now that it was really delicious. Absolutely gorgeous.
If you have enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you would like to follow my channel, please subscribe and be sure to click the bell icon to receive notification of all my upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.